Hey! Here I would like to show you another successful project. This is a UK GMC that I was able to approve. You see, 4 products are already active, and the other 4 products are pending, which will become active in a while. Here you see the shopping ad already active. Free listing will be activated automatically within 24 to 48 hours. It is suspended on March 13th. By working, I was able to approve March 18th in just 5 days. Now I want to show you today's time and date. Abdulhaq Wanther is with you from Bangladesh. Contact information is provided in the description box. Thank you so much for watching the video. So get in touch quickly.